Hey everybody, I'm at Nabala Cafe, and let me just go outside and introduce everybody to the whole thing. They at they are a new business in the Uptown Chicago area, and unfortunately, they got hit again by some vandals Friday.
Palestinian-owned cafe on Chicago's Northside in what the owners are calling a hate crime. This happened overnight at Nabala Cafe in Uptown, and the owner says this is the second time his cafe has been targeted since he opened over the summer. A similar crime happened last month at the restaurant.
What the intention of this person or these folks are that are doing what they're doing, because it's clearly a targeted attack. It's clearly based in hate, but like I don't like, are they trying to deter us from, like, do they want me to not be Palestinian? Like it's just really bizarre.
Earlier today, community members were painting murals on the plywood over the windows. GoFundMe's been set up to help the cafe repair the damage.
So I'm here to support them. It's a safe space for a lot of activists too. So I've met a lot of really cool people here. So again, this is at 4660 Broadway. So please support this cafe. They got wonderful coffee, a lot of really great food, lots of nice stacks. But let me show you kind of like some of the places here. But a beautiful gallery wall with some amazing art. So please like and subscribe. And invite everybody, and let me just show you around the cafe. It's just a wonderful cafe. It's really set up well. Lots and lots of really cool stuff. But anyhow, this is Nabala Cafe off of Broadway near the Wilson Red Line. If people want to take public, just north of it. So come out, enjoy it. They were vandalized Friday, and they were able to get back up yesterday. And so I'm here Sunday supporting them. They have this wonderful community bookcase library where you can share books about all sorts of different subjects, especially about the Nakba and about Palestine and all sorts of different subject matters. So come out and join. Just amazing local place. I, as an artist, I'm gonna definitely hang out and do a lot of artwork here, and hopefully do some live TikToks, especially during the winter time when it's too cold to be outside. But I love this piece. It was done on plywood. So lovely stuff. Again, this is Nabila Cafe. And they just have also, they were really sold out. I mean, easily there would be more full, but I had some of the baklawa. It was really beautiful, wonderful stuff. They have a lot of boxed items too, if you want to come by and grab some of that. Just lovely. And there's their menu. Their shahi, I'm going to try next time. I had just their cappuccino, and that was really good. So again, just amazing place. Lovely place. So come out and enjoy. And I'm just hanging out with all these activists and people who support Palestine right here at this big table. I don't know these people till just now. So, but anyhow, come join us, okay? You have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye.